that's a matter of judgment. So please proceed with your...
Secretariat,
please
Madam
proceed,
Chair, I
ma'am,
would like the
with your-
Secretariat to repeat the first 3 lines of the comments.
A point of order, Madam Chair. Point of order, Madam Chair, kasi parang...
So let's
di ba-
please proceed with the answer.
Point of
Madam
order,
Chair.
Madam Chair, kasi parang siya yung nagpe-preside eh. Kasi inutusan
Madam
mo
Vice
yung
President.
secretariat natin sa Committee on
Ganyan
Appropriation.
Yes,
Alamat
some
ano,
order,
di ba? So,
please.
okay,
Yes,
thank you,
Madam
Madam
Vice
Chair.
President, please proceed with the response. There's a question. Please proceed with the response.
Madam Chair, I do not understand bakit a person convicted of child abuse is still sitting in a seat
Point
of the House of
Yung sinasabi
Representatives.
natin na dinadivert ang usapan sa aming budget hearing. Kung nagawa po niya yan sa Senado, Madam Chair, dapat hindi natin yan pahintulutan dito sa Kamara.
You allowed her as my comment and then you will not allow me
Please wait
as
to be
my
recognized.
comment?
Excuse me, our members and our guests.
I warn
please,
you.
Please wait
Don't
to
go
be
into this rabbit
acknowledged.
hole.
Please wait to be acknowledged before you speak. Okay, so at this point,